Hey everyone, welcome to Easy Byte. Today we will cover exchange types, routing, and bindings in RabbitMQ. But before we start, if you haven't watched my RabbitMQ basics video, go check out that first. It will help you understand this better. Alright, let's get started. Which exchange type routes messages based on exact routing key match? Options are topic, fan out, headers, and direct. Option D is correct. Direct exchanges deliver messages to queue whose binding key exactly matches the routing key. A fan out exchange will deliver a message to how many queues? Options are only one based on key, all bound queues, and none. Option C is correct. Fan out exchange broadcasts to all queues bound to them, ignoring routing keys. Which exchange type allows pattern based routing using wildcards like asterisk and hash? Options are direct, topic, headers, and fan out. Option B is correct. Topic exchange enable advanced routing using patterns in routing keys. In a topic exchange, what does the asterisk wildcard match? Options are 0 or more words, exactly one words, only digits, and nothing. Option B is correct. Asterisk matches exactly one word in a routing key. In a topic exchange, the hash wildcard matches. Options are 0 or more words, only letters, exactly one word, and none. Option A is correct. Hash matches 0 or more words. Which exchange type uses message header instead of routing keys? Options are headers, fan out, topic, and direct. Option A is correct. Headers exchanges route based on key value pairs in the message header. Which exchange type should you use to send logs to multiple receivers? Options are direct, fan out, topic, and header. Option B is correct. Fan out is ideal for broadcasting log to multiple queues. A direct exchange is most useful when options are the key doesn't matter, you want exact control over routing, pattern matching is required, and you need a dynamic queue. Option B is correct. Direct exchange are best when you want to route based on a specific key. Headers exchange works only if options are routing key matches, header matches, queue name matches, and durability is set. Option B is correct. For header exchange, message header must match the queue's binding arguments. Which exchange type ignores the routing key completely? Options are direct, topic, fan out, and headers. Option C is correct. Fan out exchanges ignore routing keys and send to all bound queues. What is a binding in RabbitMQ? Options are a durable queue, a link between an exchange and a queue, a consumer, and a routing key. Option B is correct. Bindings connect queues to exchange, often using routing keys or headers. If two queues are bound to a direct exchange with the same key, a message with that key sent to options are both queues, only one randomly, none, and all exchanges. Option A is correct. All queues with the matching binding key will receive the message. What does a binding key represents in RabbitMQ? Options are queue name, exchange type, the filter condition between queue and exchange, and the port number. Option C is correct. The binding key defines how messages are routed to queues. In topic exchanges, how is the routing key structured? Options are random string, dot separated words, UUID, and XML. Option B is correct. Routing key in topic exchanges are structured as dot separated words. Can multiple queues be bound to a single exchange with the different keys? Options are no, yes, only for header exchange, and only with fan out. Option B is correct. Multiple queues can bind to an exchange using different routing keys. Can you bind a single queue to multiple exchanges? Options are yes, no, only in direct exchanges, and only in fan out. Option A is correct. A queue can subscribe to multiple sources of messages by binding to multiple exchanges. What happens if a message's routing key doesn't match any binding keys? Options are it is stored in a queue, it is dropped, it creates a new queue, and it retires. Option B is correct. Messages with no matching bindings are dropped unless a fallback exchange is configured. Which exchange type best suits a publish subscribe system? Options are direct, headers, fan out, and topic. Option C is correct. Fan out exchanges are ideal for broadcasting the same messages to all the subscribers. Which of the following is a valid routing key for topic exchange? Options are payment, order, order.place.india, and auth login. Option C is correct. Topic routing keys must be dot separated strings. Can a binding key contain wildcards in a direct exchange? Options are no, yes always, only asterisk, and only hash. Option A is correct. Wildcards are only allowed in topic exchange, not in direct exchange. Thanks for watching. Comment your score below, and in the next section, we will cover the MCQs on queue properties and message acknowledgement. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to EasyByte. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.